In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete and close your Whop account. Now, whether you've decided to move on from the platform or just wish to tidy up your digital footprint, following these instructions will help you navigate the necessary steps with ease. First things first, you'll need to log into your Whop account. Head over to whop.com and from there you can log in using either your email or your Discord or Google account, whichever is linked to your Whop profile. This is essential as you'll need to access your account settings to proceed with the deletion. Once you've logged in, your next step is to go to your account settings. To get there, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. After you've done this, navigate your way to either the Account or Profile tab. This is where you'll find the options to manage your account details. Now scroll down to the bottom of your account settings page. Here, you should see an option that reads either Delete Account or Close My Account. Clicking this will initiate the account deletion process. It's a direct way to start saying goodbye to your Whop profile. However, if for some reason you don't see this option, don't worry, you'll need to reach out to Whop support. Which brings us to our next step. Should the self-delete button not be available on your dashboard, you'll want to visit the Whop Help Center at help.whop.com. Once there, look for the option to submit a request, or you can click on the chat icon that you see on the site. Draft a message requesting the deletion of your account. The support team is usually quite helpful and will guide you through any additional steps that may be necessary. Next, you'll receive a confirmation email from either Whop's support team or their automated system. Make sure you keep an eye on your inbox. In that email, there will be a confirmation link or a request for you to reply. Click the link or send that reply to finalize your request. This step is crucial in ensuring Whop can permanently delete your account and all associated information. Finally, after completing the steps and within about 1 to 3 business days, you should try logging into Whop once more. If you encounter messages such as user not found or invalid credentials, then rest assured your account has been successfully deleted. And that's it! You have now permanently removed your Whop account. Thank you for following along and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions you might have.